Board. Board. Ah! Whoa! Hey, pineapple, hey!
I'm not a pineapple. I don't even look like a pineapple.
You look like a pineapple who stuck his tongue in a light socket.
I'm a durian, but you can just call me Spike.
Durham?
Durian.
Dorian?
Durian.
DeLorean? Yay! Let's go back to the future.
Durian. I'm an exotic, flavorful fruit. I'm not a time-traveling car.
Okay. Point taken.
You think your words are gonna hurt me, pal? I got news for you. They aren't.
Yeah, you do look pretty thick-skinned.
Actually, I am.
It was about knife.
What, this? I didn't even feel it.
Whoa, I guess that makes you a numbskull.
Oh, come on, what is this? Amateur night?
Whoa, are you okay? Well, I don't mean to pry, but he does.
The more the merrier. Come on, I'll take you both on.
Woo! Yeesh, and they say I'm thick. Ugh.
What, is that all you got? Jump?
Hey. Oh, Spike, you really know how to pick 'em. Oh.
Orange, don't forget how tough I was. Ah!
Why? Are you gonna